Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark MB22 and 36 side device, and now I'm gonna show you how to print device printer statistics using normal settings menu. So to do it, you need to open your home screen, then find settings here. Then scroll down, find here reports, find here device. Then here you will see device statistics. Wait a while. And great, as you can see, device statistics was successfully printed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.